Hi there, welcome back to a new video. So if you have a 2009 Volkswagen CC and you have a damaged airbag in your steering column, I'm going to show you how to remove the airbag. So but first you have to remove these covers. This one right here. So this is a T20 screwdriver. I'm going to use to remove the screw first. Okay, so after remove the screws, I'm just going to lift off this cover. I'm using my one hand, so it's a bit tricky. Okay, so I release that side. Okay, let's release that side. Also some other screws in there. Some other screw under here. So it's a bit tricky to remove all these screws, but I'm going to change it so if I even break it, it's nothing, because I already moved that one for this car. So to get it off easily, I'm just gonna break this piece. But if you don't have an extra one and you're having issues, what you can do, you can get a chisel and a hammer and pull these studs, use a chop it to turn it, and use a long nose pliers to turn these nuts out, those bolts, so you can easily turn the steering. Or this is a thing here right here that hold the steering. It's a lock activator. This piece here that lock the steering. But I'm not gonna waste any time on it. I'm just gonna get this piece loose right here. So it don't matter right now if it's damaged. I just need the steering column. Alright, it's a bit difficult that way. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna have to remove that piece first and start and get back to the video. Okay guys, so there's some clips. There's a clip in this hole right here. So what I'm gonna do, you're gonna need a small screwdriver or something with point like this one, and I'm gonna pry against it just like this, guys. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna pry and let it just like this, guys, and you can put something under there so it don't lock. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side right here. Sorry about that, guys, my hand in the way, but I'm just using my one hand just to show you guys. Okay, so I should be able to remove it now. Okay. Alright. And now I remove it, guys. So this is what it looks like right here. Let's see if I can pull these. Alright. And there you go, guys. So just remove this one. So you release this clip right here first and get it off. And right here are some wires for the horn and other electronic part here. So these are for the horn. So I'm going to unplug this brown one. There we go. So that's how I remove it, guys. And these are the clips that hold it right here. One right here, one right here over here, guys. and that's it. So I'm also gonna remove this button. It's the same T20 screw right here, so I'm gonna use the one on this one, because the reason I'm changing it, I'm having some issue with the starting with the start. It will start right up and cut back off in a few seconds because of this module, lock module right here, activator. That's what lock the steering, and if that one bad, it will cause the car not to crank. So I'm going to put the code that I'm getting in the description for this activator to cover the drop off of this one right here. Okay, I have to fix this when I'm done. So that's it, do it guys. So if you find this video useful guys, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.